So I've given you a pitch on Sam, but how does this apply to what OpenAI has just done with ChatGPT 4.0? So I want you to imagine now that we have the ability to engage with Sam in a different way because now we have the power of these assistants and we have Sam, right? So what if in the morning you woke up and you clicked on Sam and you said, "Hey Sam, about to have my coffee this morning. I'd love to know what's on the schedule for today." And Sam goes, "Oh, well, you actually have a birthday for Alfie coming up a week from now. So if you'd like to write a birthday letter to him, slip it into the mail, that would be awesome. You can also order some crumble cookie for him. He is an A contact, and that's really important to you." And you can say, "Oh, okay, thank you." Sam might chime back, "Oh, and by the way, we have a meeting this afternoon with James. It's at 1 o'clock. It's a phone call. James is super interested in basketball. Right now, college basketball is going on. You should strike up some conversation, see what his favorite team is. And on top of that, we have 3 emails that are scheduled to go out to leads. Do you want to review those emails real quick?" Now we could respond back while we're drinking our coffee. "Yeah, let's go through those emails real quick." Sam will pop back and say, "Okay, well, email one is to Sarah. Sarah is interested in a 3-2 in the St. Peter's area. And this is the email that we've written for." And Sam will read out the email. "What do you think of that?" Then you can respond, "That sounds great. Let's send it." Or, "Hey, we need to tweak this and this." Sam can make those tweaks, review, and then it can send on your behalf once it's ready to go. So now think about the power in like a Jarvis sense, right? We've taken our first step, and I truly believe the future of AI is taking and looking at each process not as automations in a series of workflows, but it's individual tasks that are taken on, and they're leveraging these AI assistants to do so. And I just see this going so excellently with Sam, and I'm just so excited to start utilizing and figuring out how to do this, how to drive this for you guys. So not only is the communication matrix coming to you guys really soon, but now with 4.0, we are going to be able to launch things like that in the near future.